So thanks, Chris, for sending in your name for today's Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. I'm going to link Chris's information in the description below because he's also a fellow photographer. So check out his work, support a fellow photographer. So I asked Chris to describe himself, right? And so Chris said that a recurring theme in his life was overcoming devastating challenges. So I gave him a perfect Igbo name for that. Ifeanyi Chukwu. Come on, say it with me. Ifeanyi Chukwu. Good. So you ready to translate that name together? All right, cool. So Ife means, in this context, it means thing or something, right? And Anye means like, Inye means like if something is heavy, right? It's